Just to follow on from my previous demonstration, I'm going to show you how to process a dovetail halving joint the socket section. So we're going to cut the wastewood side of the line, and this diagram here just shows why. So this is the wastewood side, and we cut the wastewood side of the line to ensure that the width of the saw is allowed for on the wastewood side, so that we can keep our joints nice and tight. So as you can see on the piece here, I've already made one cut along here and another cut at the center of the joint. This is just to make it easier. We're not going to remove as much material all at once, so we can have more control over our processing. So I'm going to hold the piece nice and tight in the joint, in the vise, trying to keep the lines here perpendicular to the vise itself. And then the wastewood side of the line, draw back a number of times until you're comfortable that the saw is in the right track along the line that you want it to be along. We draw this way because the teeth are pointing forward on the tenon saw, and it's easier to draw them back just to start the line, scoring the line basically. So from there then, just cut, making sure to keep our shoulder, elbow and wrist all in line, and looking straight down to ensure our lines are perpendicular to the vise. You're coming close to the line, just check the other side. Then from here, check your lines that they're all good. Again, put it into the vise. We're now going to remove the center section using chisels. So we're going to use a triangle method. So we're going to come in from one side and in from the other, and then across the top to prevent breakout here and on this side as well. So down on one knee, keeping control over the chisel at all times, pushing upwards to create an angled effect. When you've come to within about a millimetre or two of the line, you can turn it around the other side. And do the same again from this side. With softwoods you have to be careful to be gentle so that you don't break out too much material. Now that we have the angle effect that we're looking for, we can just take off this top section, because we know it's not going to break out, and start working our way down towards the line bit by bit. Again, remembering to come in from both sides to prevent breakout. So now I'm going right to the line this side. Into the middle. Turning it around and doing the same from this side. So that's that section removed. I then do the same with this section here and use a wider chisel. This is a 25mm one, just to even it out. At the very end, take off the finer fibres. That'll be the end of your socket joint.